sera 20 tours pour cette finale donc chez les juniors Max, Rotax Max. Et on y va avec la grille de départ. Il sera en pole position. Il est dans le kart 233. Tommy Lemaire-Ouellette, juste à ses côtés. Dans le kart 298, Olivier Bédard. Sur la deuxième ligne, Nicolas Fauré. Et juste à côté de lui, ce sera Christophe Paquet. On the third row, Adam Martin and Cameron Morrison. On the fourth row, Tyler Kashak, Anthony Tolfa. Sur la cinquième ligne, Marcos Signoretti, Alexandre Couturier. Sur la sixième ligne, on the sixth row, Nicolas Doré and Steve Coudray. Seventh row, Cédric Lupien, Tegan Poles. Eighth row, Tyler Rapani and Sarah McKay. Ninth row, Jeffrey Kingsley, Alan Moreau. And 10th row, Alexandre Lacroix and Isaac Merritt.
Back to row number 11, Zachary Shear is going to start 21st alongside Nelson Learn. Row 12 will be Jordan Slipikoff and Richard Schumacher. Row 13, Trevor Rancier and Samuel Fontaine. Row 14, Zachary Scalzo and Charles Regimbal. And as we said, Zachary Clement DeMello wrecking that car this morning in practice, not able to make it to the pre-final, and then, of course, not able to make it into the main event. And yes, a huge wreck here on the front straightaway.
Yes, that was something I'm not familiar with, but that does not happen too often in practice.
No, it does not. He was tucking, had his head down, and another driver in front of him got spun around and made contact, just didn't see him coming. So something that you see every once in a while, guys getting together there. If they do tucking their head down the straightaway, somebody else coming on track. So hopefully he's obviously okay, and he'll be able to go towards Team Canada with Portugal. Drivers down position, looking to go, and we've got a green flag underway here in Rotax Junior. Green, green, green. Into turn number 15. Lemaire Ouellette with the lead. A little bit of beating and banging further back, but everybody good through 1 and 2. The opening corners down to the actual turn number 1.
Lemaire Ouellette qui a gardé sa position de tête. Bédard deuxième, Fauré troisième, Morrison est quatrième pour l'instant.
Up to the top of the hill for the first time through 2 and 3. A couple drivers getting together further back, having to try to get settled in here. Again, that train gets built. People trying to grab positions early on. And we're underway with Tommy Lemaire Ouellette out front, the 233, and Olivier Bedard in the 298 now into second.
Quelques changements derrière. J'ai l'impression que Paquet dans le 222 s'est faufilé un petit peu à l'avant. Là, on va voir si c'est lui qui a pris la troisième position lorsqu'ils repasseront devant nous. I have a feeling we had a couple of moves in the fourth and fifth position there. Looks like Christophe Paquet in the 222 kart might have made a move. We'll see as they go in front of us. On va voir dans quelques secondes alors qu'ils passent devant nous pour compléter ce premier tour.
Drivers pulling away early here right now. Top 3 drivers trying to stretch away. Tommy Lemaire Ouellette, Olivier Bedard, and Nicolas Fauré in the number 200. Stretching out to almost a second right now over Christophe Paquet with 222. Tyler Kashik in the number 299 now running in the 5th spot. Marco Signoretti starting in 9th, able to get up into 6th. With the driver off for the
couple of drivers. And look at this kid. He's spinning out all over the place. He's got a problem there.
Yeah, that's the trouble. That was Zachary Shearer getting together with, I believe, the 296.
Steve Coudray.
Oh, that's a tough one for Coudray. Started in 12th position, and Coudray out of the race here now in that 296. So yeah, he's going to try to roll back in, see if he can't refire. Yeah, he's got it going again, so he'll continue. Lots of room here before the leaders come back around.
Coudray qui a eu des problèmes dans le 296 a sorti de piste et ensuite quand il est revenu, il a encore une fois tourné alors que c'est Lemaire Ouellette qui passe devant. Bédard deuxième, Fauré troisième, Paquet et quatrième, Kashak is 5th, Signoretti is 6th, Tolfa is 7th, Doré is 8th, Morrison 9th, and Kingsley 10th.
Good start to this one, everybody kind of settling in. It is a 20-lapper for Rotax Junior. Drivers already part of the program for Team Canada. Zachary Scalzo, who won the championship of the Gators Challenge of the Americas. Zachary Clement DeMello, the champion of the Eastern Canadian Karting Championship. And of course, Parker Thompson out of Alberta winning the Western Canadian Championship. Parker not with us here this weekend, but already qualified for Team Canada.
Plusieurs de ces jeunes sont déjà qualifiés. Zachary Scalzo, comme l'a mentionné Rob, et Zachary Clement DeMello, qui lui ne prendra pas part à cette course, évidemment, suite à son accident de ce matin. Et Parker Thompson, qui lui n'est pas ici. Alors, on est dans cette Junior Max, dans cette catégorie Junior Max. Ils sont déjà classés, mais on en cherche.
Lead now almost 0.8 of a second for Lemaire Ouellette in the number 233 as he is stretching out the advantage from the number 298 of Bedard. It's a Tony Kart for Lemaire Ouellette, the Burrell for Bedard, 1-2.
Toujours Lemaire Ouellette, premier, Bédard, deuxième, Fauré, troisième. Pour l'instant, ça ne change pas. Et c'est Lemaire Ouellette qui semble vouloir accroître son avance. Il est à près de 8 dixièmes de seconde devant. Ça va très, très bien pour lui. Et on vous rappelle que c'est une course de 20 tours. Alors, on va y aller quand même de façon prudente au début ici. Et on va tenter de se rapprocher. Évidemment, certaines cartes vont fonctionner un peu mieux plus la course avance, c'est ce qu'on verra. D'autres sont sur des ajustements différents. Mais pour l'instant, ça va très, très bien pour Lemaire Ouellette qui est premier par 1,1 seconde. Il accroît son avance encore une fois. Devient Olivier Bédard et Fauré qui est troisième.
Absolutely great run now being laid down by Zachary Scalzo in the number 230, starting in the 27th position, already to 14th spot. So 13 positions already for Scalzo in that 230, now closing up on the rear of Cedric Lupien, quicker by about 0.8 of a second. He's going to be there immediately. So Scalzo trying to get himself back into the top 10. What a great drive for Zachary Scalzo here, that number 230 Lewis Hamilton chassis.
Another name we've heard a lot this weekend, Sarah McKay. She started 16. She's still in 16th place right now. Sarah McKay qui a été une actrice dans plusieurs de ses courses au cours du week-end. Elle est 16e présentement. C'est la position de départ qu'elle avait, donc pas de changement pour elle. Voici notre meneur qui passe devant nous. C'est Tommy Lemaire Ouellette qui est premier. Voyons voir, presque 5 secondes sur Bédard. Il continue d'accroître la distance entre lui et la deuxième place.
Lemaire Ouellette now down into the 55 to 55.963. Fastest lap of the race thus far. 1.4 seconds the advantage. Lemaire Ouellette pulling over Bedard right now. A dominant performance by the number 233 of Tommy Lemaire Ouellette. Well out front. Christophe Paquette now 2.5 seconds behind Bedard. So Bedard by himself on the racetrack as well. But he knows he's watching that leader stretch away from him. Every lap, it's a couple of tenths of a second. And when you see that happening, you start to get a little demoralized. The guy just keeps pulling away from you, and there's nothing you can do about it.
And Paquet passed Fauré in that last lap for a third position. Voyons voir s'il pourra la reprendre, cette troisième place. Ils sont au bout du virage 15, là. Et c'est Fauré qui se retrouve derrière alors qu'on a le 208, 208 coming in the pits.
Another good move there. Nicolas Doré moving his way forward. Doré able to get by Signoretti. I believe so. Doré now up, I believe, into the third spot. 272. Doré able to get by Signoretti at the end of the back straightaway. 1.7 now the advantage for Lemaire Ouellette. Again, another lap in the 55s. He is just quicker by 2/10, 3/10 of a second every lap right now. Just stretching it away. What an impressive run. As well, fast lap last time by for Zachary Scalzo with a number 230, 56.406. I believe he is in 14th, but he's closed right up to within 2/10 of a second behind Couturier, Alexander Couturier in the number 212. And he's significantly quicker as well, so Scalzo trying to fight his way back into the top 10.
Lemaire Ouellette qui continue de mettre 2 dixièmes, 3 dixièmes à chaque tour sur son plus proche rival. Il vient de passer devant. Voyons voir maintenant. C'est 2.2 secondes maintenant. 2.2 seconds now. Paquet troisième, Fauré est quatrième. Kashak, Doré, Tolfa, Signoretti, Kingsley.
Another spot there as well for Scalzo. We'll keep watching him too as he's trying to work his way back into the top 10. A good run for one of the drivers we'll be watching on Team Canada this year. Zachary Scalzo in the 230. Yeah, now up into, I believe, 12th position. 12th or 13th position right now for Scalzo as he's still trying to work his way into the top 10.
Scalzo qui a fait une très belle course, qui remonte de plus en plus. Lui qui était parti assez loin derrière. Scalzo était parti 27e avant-dernier, dernière ligne au départ. Et là, se retrouve quoi? Maintenant, Scalzo se retrouve 13e. Alors, ça va très, très bien pour lui. Notre meneur passe ici devant nous. Lemaire Ouellette avec 12 tours à faire. Et maintenant, à quoi? 2,2 secondes. L'écart n'a pas changé cette fois-ci. The gap didn't change this time with Bedard in second place. Christophe Paquet troisième, Fauré quatrième. Et c'est Kashak now who's on the move. He's now in 5th place. Kashak est 5e pour l'instant.
Yeah, Tyler Kashak at the number 299. We got some pretty good racing here right now. I got a couple drivers really battling it out hard here in for what, third, fourth, and fifth. Tyler Kashik in the number 299, closing in now here, just about 0.2 of a second behind Nicholas Foray, and quicker by about 1/10 of a second. So slowly working his way forward. Kashik in the 299. Look at that. That's third, fourth, fifth, and sixth, all pretty close together. Paquette, Foray, Kashik, and Dore.
But that looks like, from what I understand, Dore that took the fifth position back from Kashak.
Oh,
we'll see that. Yeah, we'll see that when they come in front here.
Indeed he does.
Yeah.
Dore back into fifth, Kashik into sixth spot. Good fight. That's a great little scrap there for third, fourth, fifth, and sixth.
And Dore just moved into fourth place. Dore qui a fait un autre dépassement, il se retrouve maintenant quatrième. Dore's on the move.
Looking to try to close up on Paquette now. That's third. Christophe Paquette in the number 222 now in the third position. Scalzo into 11th right now.
Lemaire Ouellet premier, Bédard deuxième, Paquette est troisième et Dore serait quatrième maintenant. C'est le meneur que vous voyez tout au fond là-bas dans le virage maintenant numéro 15. Vraiment aucun problème pour lui à 2,6 secondes d'avance sur la deuxième place d'Olivier Bédard. Ils vont passer devant nous avec 10 tours à faire. On est à mi-course. We're halfway there. 10 laps to go in this 20-lap Max Junior Final. C'est la finale de 20 tours. On est à mi-course chez les juniors. Rotax Max.
Halfway to go, 10 down, 10 remaining. See where the setups start coming in now. Who's got the best car here? Scalzo now in that number 230, trying to close up on Tyler Rapani. That'll be for the 10th position. Rapani put his best lap down there, though, a 56.179 last time by. So Rapani trying to hold off Scalzo. Remember, started all the way back in 27th, now into 11th position.
Wow.
Yeah, great run here for Scalzo from the tail of the field.
Scalzo qui est maintenant 11e, lui qui est parti 27e sur la dernière rangée. Alors, il y a toute une course, ce Scalzo, pour l'instant. Voici Tommy Lemaire Ouellet qui passe devant nous. Dore rendu troisième. Looks like Dore moved into third place. We'll see. Yes, he did. Lemaire Ouellet premier, Bédard deuxième, Dore est maintenant troisième, Paquette quatrième, Forêt cinquième, Tyler Kashak is sixth, Anthony Tolfer is now seventh, Kingsley is eighth, Signoretti is 9. Rapani is 10.
What a great drive here for both. Look at Kingsley. Let's go to Jeff Kingsley right now. Started 17th. He's into 8th. Dore started 11th. He's now third position. Nicholas Dore in third spot, able to get by Christophe Paquette last time by. So an impressive run for Dore now into third position in the number 272, Burrell.
Superbe course pour Dore qui est parti 11e, se retrouve 3e maintenant. Il est au devant de ce groupe de 4 pilotes alors que le meneur, lui, Lemaire Ouellet, qui n'a aucun souci, passe devant nous ici. Avec 8 tours à faire, 8 laps to go. Le deuxième, c'est Bédard. Et voici le quatuor qui suit pour la 3e, 4e, 5e et 6e place. Dore, Paquette, Forêt, Kashak, no changes.
What a run right now for Tommy Lemaire Ouellet in the number 233. 3.4 seconds now the advantage as he's turning laps right around the 56 flat, 55.9s. Very consistent as well. Most of his laps within about 1/10 of a second. Really very strong out front. And again, when you're by yourself out there, all you're doing is just be focused and hitting your marks. All your entry, all your apex, all your exit points, and just bam, bam, bam. Try to be as consistent and as relaxed as possible. You never want to look behind you.
No.
Maybe near the end they might have a little quick peak, but if you can keep looking forward and keep driving strong, you know where you're going. Open racetrack in front of you, take full advantage of it. And Lemaire Ouellet doing exactly that. 3.4 seconds the advantage with 13 laps now in the books.
Lemaire Ouellet qui vient de passer devant nous, qui continue avec des tours 55-8, 55-8. Meilleur temps, best lap for him so far. Olivier Bédard, deuxième, à 3,8 secondes. Alors, Lemaire Ouellet n'est pas seulement qu'en avance, il continue de faire des temps plus rapides, des temps canons à chacun de ses tours. Alors, vraiment une course dominée largement par Lemaire Ouellet pour l'instant.
Further back, again, we're watching drivers outside the top 5. Tyler Kashik now running in 6th. Jeffrey Kingsley up into 7th position. Just laid down his quickest lap. And in fact, Kingsley about half a second quicker than Kasich last time by. I got a feeling we could have a battle for 6th spot here. Let's try to key on that one is Kingsley in the 2:16. Remember, starting back at the 17th spot, currently runs in 7th and is now looking to try to reel in Tyler Kasich in the number 299. Kingsley having a good run here on the Burrell.
And look who's right behind Doré there. Paquette is closing by as the leader just went by. Notre meneur qui vient de passer 3 secondes, presque 9 pour lui. 56-0-97, encore une fois très très près de ses temps, Lemaire Ouellette.
2:11 to Tyler Rapani, able to get by Marco Signoretti in that last lap as he was able to make that run down the back straightaway and take over the position in turn number 15. So Tyler Rapani now up into 9th. Signoretti back into 10th. Scalzo still 11th. Hagen Poles runs in 12th. Andre Lacroix in the 13th spot. Alexander Coutier in the number 212 running in 14th. And Cameron Morrison now running out your top 15.
Scalzo not moving for the last few laps here, still in 11th place, right?
I think that's about all he's going to get to right
Yeah.
now. He's not quite as quick as Signoretti, actually. Signoretti a little bit faster, but he's 2.3 seconds behind still. He may be able to get Signoretti for the top 10, but he'll have to put in some good laps here right now because that's a pretty big gap between 10th and 11th.
5 tours à faire alors que Signoretti vient de passer devant nous à 55-9-6-3. Toujours des temps très rapides pour lui. Derrière ses Bédard. 4 secondes d'avance. 4 seconds is now the lead for Lemaire Ouellette.
Jeff Kingsley in the 2:16 running currently in the 7th spot, now starting to close up on the rear bumper of Tyler Kasich in the number 299. That'll be for 6th position. Kingsley about 0.2 of a second quicker last time by, so he should get him here on this lap, behind only by about 0.3. He'll get the draft coming up the straightaway. We'll see if Kingsley in a position to go now for that 6th spot as they work their way down the back straightaway. Kingsley in the 2:16 Burrell, Kasich in the 2:99 Intrepid. They'll work their way down the back straightaway now. Kingsley trying to tuck in. Kasich, though, with some good speed, he'll hold on to the position still.
Pour l'instant, ça se poursuit de belle façon pour le meneur qui a toujours une avance très importante sur la 2e place. Cette fois-ci, on est rendu à presque 4,4 secondes d'avance. Increasing by almost half a second is lead Lemaire Ouellette over Bédard.
Less than a handful of laps remaining, just 4 circuits to go. Tommy Lemaire Ouellette ahead by now 4.5 seconds from Olivier Bedard in the number 298. So Lemaire Ouellette trying to firmly take hold of this final Team Canada position to be part of the Junior Max team.
Lemaire Ouellette qui veut avoir absolument cette dernière place disponible en Junior Max pour se rendre au championnat mondial. Et pour lui, ma foi, jusqu'à présent, ça va très bien. Il reste moins de 4 tours. Voilà, on va faire 3 tours à faire, mesdames et messieurs. Lemaire Ouellette vient de passer en 55-8-9-6, encore une fois parmi ses temps les plus rapides.
Scrap still for the final position on the podium is getting good. Here goes the move to the inside, the 222 of Paquette. Down the inside, book it. He's back through. Paquette into 3rd position once again. Doré gets shuffled back to 4th, and that's bringing the 200 of Nicholas Forêt into the height hunt here.
Ah, ils sont 3, mais là, Forêt a fait un petit dérapage dans le virage numéro 4. C'est Doré et Paquette qui vont se bagarrer. Là, c'est Paquette qui a pris la 3e place. Et là, Doré tente l'intérieur. Il réussit. Oui, c'est réussi l'intérieur pour la 3e place. He's back into 3rd place. Doré in turn number 9 dans le virage numéro 10. Maintenant, on revient tout près derrière. Ça a permis par contre à Kasich de se rapprocher. À Forêt de se rapprocher également. Et tout le groupe derrière également est très très près. On les voit dans le droit là-bas, tout au fond. C'est Doré qui est devant maintenant. Et Paquet tout près derrière. Non, ça ne passera pas au virage numéro 15.
2 laps remaining. Great fight here for 3rd position. Doré back into the spot. 4th is Paquette. 5th is Forêt. 6th is Kasich. 7th is Kingsley.
Oh, again. Look at that.
That's Forêt in there now this time. Nicholas Forêt in the 200 being able to stuff it in. And the 222 of Paquette going backwards.
Aïe, 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 aïe. Paquet qui est sorti de piste, qui a perdu beaucoup de vitesse. Malheureusement pour lui, se retrouvera plus loin derrière. Est-ce que Doré a gardé sa 3e place ou est-il maintenant 4e?
Still trying to see if Zachary Scalzo in the 230 can work his way into the top 10. He's about 2 or 3/10 of a second quicker than Signoretti, closing in about 7/10. So we'll see if that happens before it's all over. Down the straightaway now comes that fight for 3rd. Doré And now it's actually Foray into the fourth position.
One lap to go.
One to
Dernier
go.
tour pour le Maire Ouellette. On vient de le voir passer devant nous. Encore une fois, 56,007 parmi les tours les plus rapides du jour.
Remember, fighting for that final position in the top three. Foray tries to go to the inside at Dore, but overcooks it in one. Dore back on the inside. He's got some gap coming up the hill here. They're all going to have to fight. The 216, a Kingsley in there. Contact.
Oh!
Couple drivers around. I want to say that's right in the middle of the racetrack there. That was Foray that went around, as was Kashak. So that's going to put, I believe, Kingsley up into third or fourth. How wild when that was. Final lap, though, on the racetrack. Tommy Lemaire Ouellette out front here, leading the way through turns 15.
Voici, mesdames et messieurs, Tommy Lemaire Ouellette qui négocie le dernier virage numéro 16. Il va passer devant nous. Le voici, Tommy Lemaire Ouellette, votre champion dans la catégorie Max Junior, champion canadien. Et juste derrière lui, en deuxième place, ce sera Olivier Bédard. Et voyons voir pour la troisième place, il y a eu une très belle bagarre. Oui! Et c'est le 2,72 de Nicolas Doré qui va terminer sur le podium. What a race for third, fourth and fifth position here.